Alrighty, it's time to start with our keyword research. I'll show you exactly how to find the best keywords for your website. There are two different methods of keyword research. We'll cover both of them separately. The first method is the traditional way of doing keyword research. Here we take seed keywords as our starting point to find suitable, related keywords for which we can rank. The second method is competitor keyword research. Here, we go the opposite direction by looking at what works for our competitors. Which keywords do they rank for? Which keywords do our competitors have the most success with? We take their best keywords and use them for our own website. The question now, of course, is, which method are you going to choose? Well, you can choose one or both of them. If you have limited time available and want to get started as quickly as possible, pick one of the keyword research methods. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. They are both equally valuable, and you can find great keywords for your site using either method. So choose the method that you think is the most convenient for you. Do you have more time available? Then do both methods. In combination with each other, these methods are extra powerful. They complement each other really well, and by using both methods, you will find more keywords that could work well for your site. In the next lesson, we'll start with traditional keyword research.